My name is Alex Kane, and I attended the ARC Fire Academy in 2020. I've been a firefighter now with the City of Sacramento for a year and a half. Before I became a firefighter, I had a previous career as a teacher, and I was looking for a change, and the ARC Fire Academy was the first step I needed to achieve those dreams. ARC made it possible to do something that I thought was out of reach. From a teacher's point of view, it's top-notch, and there's no education I could have gotten that would have been better than that to make me successful now as a firefighter. Every day you are strengthening your mind, you're also strengthening your body with physical fitness, and then you are learning all of the skills you need to actually be successful on a real fire. I use what I learned at the ARC Academy every day on my job. If I can change my career, you can too.